if we're going to work together, can you like send me your link on
Yeah,
Upwork or Fiverr so that I can go through it and then get back to you?
Ravi and Miss Rima and me, we are teammate and we do YouTube marketing, Facebook ad, Google ad, and all type of digital marketing related work. Our team member Rima has audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues. So if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
Yeah, I would just have to ask a few questions. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I personally don't want to do YouTube advertisement for my YouTube channel because I just don't want to do it. So in any of this your process, is it going to involve having to pay for adverts and all of that?
So we will not run ads. We will do SEO based work organically. We will optimize your video metadata and we will research your competitor and we will guide you what should you do and what should not to do on YouTube platform. And we also work as a manager of your channel.
So now when you say manager of my channel, that means I have to give you access to my channel.
It is your wish. We have two methods to start the work. One is you can give your channel access to as a manager and as a manager or editor limited. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is just you send your video links. Then we will optimize from our site and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement your videos by yourself.
Okay. Because the thing with the kind of nature I'm in is that most of my people that are going to watch my videos are targeted audience that are going to come and watch for the organ playing. So I don't want bots or non-organic followers that are there, not talking about the video, not analyzing the video because it's music video and it's classical music video. So I expect people talking about the video, which is what is going on my channel currently, but it's still very small, much smaller views and all of that. But I don't want anything that is going to be done inorganically. Like I've seen people pay for adverts and pay for all of those things. Their channel gets to 10 whatever thousand views or 10,000 followers. And after all of a sudden they just start reducing and then they just drop down to maybe 2,000 or 3,000. I don't want that kind of situation for my channel. I want my
I see.
channel to, I rather like my channel to go slow and steady till I get to the point where I'm happy. I'm not in a haste, if you understand what I mean. But
Yeah,
if
definitely you are in the right place. So we will not give you overnight result. When we do work, it will take time because we have no magic ball to rank a channel within overnight. We will work 100% organically and we will try to be honest to our clients. And till now, we work with 700 clients all around the world. So when we do SEO optimizations, your channel will not grow overnight. It takes times if you maintain consistency, if you upload quality content, and if we do SEO optimizations and we fix the growth related issues, then gradually your channel will grow. It will not get result within overnight. So mainly we will optimize your video metadata and we will research your competitor and we will guide you what should you do and what should not to do. And then after doing that work, gradually your channel will grow. So for that work we have two packages mainly. One is a starter and another is a standard. In our starter package we will optimize your 10 video and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package we will optimize your 30 video and it takes 30 days to deliver the work and it costs 300 USD. So it's your choice which package you want to start with.
Okay, now when you say you optimize my video, does it mean any video that I've uploaded before, or I have to make a new video for you to work with?
Yeah, you just upload your videos and keep it unlisted and share link with us. Then we will optimize from our side and then you can publish it.
Okay, so that means this optimization can only work for videos that I'm about to release, not the ones that I've done already.
No, both of videos we can do already existing videos and already uploading videos.
So you can do already existing videos and
Yeah,
videos that are not
upcoming
okay.
videos also.
So that means I have to give you videos that I've done before, give you the links to them, and then you work on them.
Yeah.
Okay. So you said your standard, you said you have two packs again. Can you repeat the two packs?
First one is a starter package. In starter package will optimize your 10 video and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And
Okay, so
another,
when you say to deliver 7 days to deliver, does that mean like I'm going to see growth in 7 days?
you will we will work 100% organically. So sometime result will come within 7 days, but normally it takes 1 to 3 weeks to get result.
Okay, when you mean result, is it result in subscribers or result in views?
Especially views and subscribers.
Okay, so can we do this work up from any of them?
Yeah, obviously.
So if we're going to work together, can you like send me your link on
Yeah.
Upwork or Fiverr so that I can go through it and then get back to you?
Fiverr would be good. Our team member Rima will send her Fiverr profile link. Then you just message on, and then we will send you a custom offer for 10 videos, 120 USD. Then you just accept it. Then we will work for you. Okay.
No problem. I think that should be better.
Okay. So after finishing the meeting, our team member will send her Fiverr link to you. Then you just message on. Then she will send you a custom offer.
No problem.
Okay. So hope to work with you for a long time because our client satisfaction is our first priority, and we will try our best to grow your channel.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
Okay. So bye for now. Hope to work with you for a long time.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Bye bye.